Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're one of those people who for some reason can't get a turkey for Thanksgiving, here is a great chicken recipe for you. Very easy to cook and you only need a few ingredients. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe and share this video. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first thing is to brine the chicken. So I'm adding salt to this bowl. Then I'm also adding water and stirring at the same time. So I'm going to stir until all the salt dissolves. And here is the chicken. So it's not completely thawed, and that should be okay because we are going to be brining anyways. So I'm just going to immerse this in the salt solution I made, and then I'll let it sit overnight. Okay, here I have one medium potato, celery and carrots that I'm going to cut up to go with the dish. Okay guys, here are the vegetables all cut up. So now I'm just gonna make a slurry, and first adding the cornstarch, then I'll add the powder chicken broth, and then I'll add the liquid chicken broth and mix everything together. Then I'm going to pour the mixture to the vegetables in the baking dish. Alright, we're here. So now I'm just separating the skin from the body so that I can squeeze some butter underneath there. Yes, this will give the skin that amazing crispiness while adding the moisture to the chicken to keep it juicy. Cause dry chicken, no guys. Okay, now we are tucking in the wings because we don't want them to cook quicker than the rest of the chicken. Then we're gonna transfer the chicken to the rack where we're gonna season it and prepare it for the oven. So now I'm gonna brush more melted butter on top of the chicken and around. Then I'm going to sprinkle the spices as well around the chicken, and then it will be ready for the oven. I'm going to bake this chicken at 360 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll bake it for 2.5 hours. Also, I'll keep basting the chicken every 30 minutes. Basting is basically spooning juices from the bottom of the pan onto the top of the chicken to make it moist and tender. So the chicken has been in the oven for about 30 minutes, so here I am showing how I'm basting it, and I'll keep doing this every 30 to 45 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. And if you find that the juices at the bottom are getting lower, you can always add more chicken broth or some water. Okay guys, it's been 2.5 hours and our chicken is cooked. It's very juicy and tender. As you can see, the skin is crispy, which is what we want to achieve. So yeah, and then this gravy, this is very delicious. This broth, this gravy, yeah, it's very delicious. So I'm gonna have my chicken with rice, and I'll be pouring that gravy onto my rice. So yeah, this brings me to the end of this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.